Hello all, welcome to the day 48 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Anish and his father, who is an architect by profession, visited Switzerland. They went to see Gotthard Base Tunnel, which is the world's longest tunnel and has a parabolic cross section. The mathematical representation of the tunnel is shown in the figure. Based on the given details, answer the following. Question 1. The zeros of the polynomial whose graph is given are. Now, looking at the graph, it's a downward parabola. The parabola cuts the x-axis at two places. One is at x equal to minus 2 and the other one is x equal to 2. So the zeros are minus 2 and 2. Option A. Question 2. What will be the expression of the polynomial given in the diagram? As already said, this is a downward parabola. For a downward parabola, A is negative. Out of the given options, B suits the best. Question 3. What is the value of the polynomial if x equal to 3? Substituting x equal to 3 in this expression, we get minus 3 square plus 4, which is minus 9 plus 4, that is minus 5. So the answer is option C. Question 4. If the tunnel is represented by minus x square plus 3x minus 2, then its zeros are. Let's multiply this expression by minus 1. So we get x square minus 3x plus 2. By applying the splitting the middle term, we get x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 2, that is x minus 2 into x minus 1. These are the factors. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. The answer is D. If 1 0 is minus 4 and sum of zeros is 1, then representation of tunnel as a polynomial is 1 0 is minus 4. So let's take that as alpha, and alpha plus beta is equal to 1 according to this. Sum of zeros is 1. Substituting alpha's value in alpha plus beta equal to 1, we get beta is equal to 5. The format of the polynomial using the sum of the roots and product of the roots is given by x square minus sum of roots times x plus product of roots, which is x square minus sum of roots is 1 plus product of roots is minus 4 times 5, which gives us x square minus x minus 20. Since the parabola is a downward parabola, we have to multiply this expression by minus 1. So this becomes minus x square plus x plus 20. So the answer is B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.